Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely error. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen, type Task Manager and open it. Find the Epic Games Launcher in the list, then click on it. Now go to the bottom right corner and click End Task. Next, open this PC and go to your C drive. Then open the program files x86 folder. Find the Epic Games folder and delete it. After that, go to the Epic Games website and download the launcher again. Once it's downloaded, go to the folder where the installer was saved. Double-click on the setup file. Click on Repair when the option appears. After the repair is complete, open the Epic Games Launcher and it should work perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.